and welcome back to our pronunciation reference course part 2 with me, Sophie, a qualified TEFL tutor. I've been helping you to move and learn through all of your 44 English sounds really quickly. You've been doing fantastic, and today we're on to our next diphthong sound. That sound is the sound A. That sound again? A. The sound A can be found in words like they, make and grate. Those words again? They, make and grate. Now your turn. Perfect! You're doing brilliantly. So when you say the sound A, your mouth moves shape, and that's because it's made up of 2 vowel sounds. For example, we start on the E, which is where our mouth is really stretched and wide, E, and we end in the Y, A. Now that's a little bit over-exaggerated again, but I just want to show you so that you can see what I mean. The mouth moves shape, A, A. So it's relaxing. It's both quite stretched on both different parts. However, it's just more relaxed. So those words again, they, make, grate. They, make, grate. They, make, grate. Now your turn. Perfect! You've got it. Can you think of any other words? Words like age and 8 have the A sound at the beginning. Words like they and great have the A sound in the middle. Words like day and stay have the A sound at the end. How are you feeling after another session? You're doing brilliantly and they're getting easier, right? You just keep on learning with the fantastic Linguizer mobile app. The chance for you to learn these English phrases and sounds really quickly and very, very easily. You're going to be that English pro in no time at all. I'll see you next time. Bye!